What I'm doing today is doing an unboxing. I want to get some Bluetooth connection to my stereo amp behind me here, and I want to connect my iPhone to it obviously. I'm going to unbox this MPOW Bluetooth receiver and plug it in. Basically the Bluetooth receiver has got a battery in it as well, so it will run on its own if it needs to, but I'll probably leave it plugged in all the time. I'll start the unboxing. So basically we got the StreamBot Bluetooth 4.1 receiver. I bought this off eBay, but you can also get this off Amazon, and I'll put the Amazon link in the description below. It's a Bluetooth receiver, and I'll be installing it onto my amplifier so I can listen to music that's on my iPhone. I'll just open the lid. That's the receiver. Not very big, it's actually smaller than I expected, but it gives you an idea. On the back it's got the USB power cord. I'll get a bit closer maybe. It's got a headphone jack as well. Okay. And then at the bottom of the box you have the cables and hopefully an instruction book. English, German, everything in there. But you know, I'm a guy, so we don't read those. And just a safety card. But there's RCA to the Bluetooth unit, which is probably what I'll be using. And then you got the charger cable, USB. I'll have to dig around my house and see if I can find a 5-volt charger, and I better double check to make sure it is a 5-volt charger. And another male to male headphone jack. And that's the empty box. Everything's out of there. That's the contents of the box. Not really much in it, but I'll connect it up now. I've got the item sitting here, which is on top of my phono preamp. I've plugged the UPS power charger into here, and luckily I had an old iPhone charger that I've used to power this up. I've plugged the RCA cable into here. That utilises a headphone jack. I've plugged the RCA cables into the back of the amplifier. They're the cables on the left. When you plug in the unit, the light here is just red. So to pair it, you need to push the button down in the center, hold it for 5 seconds, and then it starts flashing red and blue, and then the iPhone will connect to it. Okay, once you have it paired, go into iTunes or whatever program you want to listen to. I think I might listen to some Dire Straits. Money for Nothing. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video about setting up a Bluetooth receiver for your stereo. It's quite a simple thing to do. If you're interested in one of those Bluetooth receivers, click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to Amazon where you can buy them.